Hi guys, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today I'm gonna show you my wife's Tesla Model S. It was...
I pressed insane. I went insane.
So let me show you everything around the car and everything what we did here. introduce you to my wife's car. A Signature 2012, one of the first 1200 built Model S's from Tesla. And it's not the Signature typical maroon color or dark red, it's a black Signature. And let me show you on the screen how that looks like. So when you look here first, it's the Model S Signature. And there's already 112,000 miles on it. It's a P85 like every one of the Signatures. And it has some specialties in there. Let me show you the specialties as well. First one, the Signature, not from the beginning, was signed from Elon. And I'm going to show you the pictures for that as well. And most of them don't believe that. But let me show you the pictures. I printed them out. So actually, we gave him a fountain pen. And then he signed it. And here's the other picture where he signed it. And he put it to the dashboard. It was very nice. I can remember the day, because it was the day when we had the event, battery swapping event, at the June 20th, 2013, now almost 5 years ago. The event was good for me because we signed it. So the more what's on the car is also the piping on that car. So when you see here, the original one is in red, or it's a dark red. This one has a purple piping around all of the Signature seats. And this one also was the first car with the Alcantara headliner. So when you see that headliner, it's also a little bit of thicker material. And these ones were originally in beige. We had them overcolored in black, including the presser for the button for the light. And these materials, as well as you can see it sometimes here from the seat belts, they are sometimes here the color is coming off again. Probably today I would get them in black. When I have some time, I turn them into black. So in all of the headliner there, you can see that is in black. And it was really the first car with a thick Alcantara black headliner. Today the material is a little bit thinner, or flatter. Yeah, that was from the interior what we wanted from the car, including the middle console. Let me show you, turn over to the middle console. That's in purple as well, as you can see it from here. Pictures in there, sure. And then these ones are not missing. I had to get the special wires for telephone charging in purple. And there's a cubby box with a purple towel in there. And I built this one for the telephone extra. This is for magnetic. Yeah, that's how you can see that from the interior. And a lot of people ask us later, where did you get that headliner from? I said, just from factory. It actually was delivered from factory on that day. And we were happy to have it from the first day, and they did it for us. We almost did not take delivery, as so many people are saying that, yes, I'm putting $1,000 down and waiting so long for our car and so on. So at that time, we took a really big faith in the company. They just have delivered maybe 1,500 or 2,000 cars worldwide and haven't delivered any car before. But we saw at the first factory visit that there is a car, and that was the Model S. And when we saw the Model S, it was a black one as well. There was only one seat in there, the big screens and a whole bunch of wires. So, and we saw the car there at that factory visit. Was in April 2011. And then I wrote a check for $40,000 and signed up for the Signature car to get that car. And it was delivered. It could have been delivered earlier. It was delivered in October 2012. just right after or just at the time when the superchargers were announced. So we knew that there were no supercharger network, but we still wanted to have the car. There, it's number 315. It's still driving perfectly. And we just recently changed the nose cone assembly. We took the front bumper out and made it to as the new facial. It really looks great now and is a little bit more efficient even. So, and the car is getting better every time. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the car, and I showed you the outside of the car and everything what I did on the outside. And many things are chrome deleted and blacked out. And it's still an awesome car, like the years before. And there's one more thing what I want to show you is when you look at that Model S, when you open the door, you see the following. For sure. There needs to be a purple light. The puddle light is purple. Everywhere. Also in the back.
I pressed and say